Hello, my name is Anastasia Kravchenko.
My name is Pelikanova Anna.
My name is Anastasia Khumenko.
My name is Elena Bondarenko.
I'm student National University Chernihiv Polytechnic and special in environment design.
I am a student of the Chernihiv Polytechnic National University. Majority in architecture, urban planning.
I'm a student of the Chernihiv Polytechnic National University, majoring in architect and urban planning.
I am a student of the National University Chernihiv Polytechnic, majoring in environmental design.
The topic of our project is the design of landscaping for the Chernihiv Polytechnic National University. This area is located near the intersection of Shevchenko Street and Levka Lukyanenko Avenue. The university area is quite large, but at the moment it is hardly used. We want to develop a landscaping project for this area to optimize this space.
This part of the territory is located in the central part of the university and is a transit zone. Currently, there are several benches and trees here, as well as area where the parking lot and the absent area are found in the neglect state. We suggest is the central part of the territory. We make an auditorium for students and make space for students to relax. On the territory of the park zone, convert parking space and make an underground parking lot. Transport the territory absent in the park zone and the area with pass.
This part of the territory is located to the left of the main campus, and currently there are two small parking lots on it, in which the number of parking spaces is small due to the lack of markings. And there is also a small apple garden and ledge area with a lawn, which is not used in anywhere. This is a transit area, but at the moment there are no comfortable conditions for the passage of cars, bicycles and pedestrian paths. Also, this territory is not inclusive. In this area, we plan to add bicycle and pedestrian paths, mark the parking lots, and cover the parking lot and pedestrian paths with eco tiles instead of asphalt, and add bicycle parking space. Near the third campus, we plan to install a small cafe, and on a large area with a lawn, we plan to create a recreation area with gazebos and benches. Also, this entire area will comply with all norms of inclusivity.
The estate of Grigory Glebov, a building of the 19th century, is located on this territory. At present, the passage to the castle and the surrounding area are in a neglected state, and there are only passage for cars. We propose to add pedestrian and bicycle paths so that students from the dormitory can easily get to the building on the campus and to the recreation areas.
This part of the area is located behind the university, surrounding the dormitory. Currently, there is an abandoned football field and a path leading to the dormitory. The dormitory lacks recreational areas. We propose to renovate the sports field, add a running track and the fitness area. On the dormitory grounds, we suggest adding benches for students to relax.
The improvement project of the Chernihiv Polytechnic National University will improve the appearance and functionality of the university. It is planned to create convenient passageways, pedestrian paths, modernized parking lots, and arrange areas for recreation and study. Improvements are aimed at increasing comfort for all university visitors.